UGcaleka uthi umengameli Ramaphosa kanacala futhi wahambisana nemigomo yokusebenza kwehhovisi lakhe kuyo yonke into. Kulandela izinsolo zokwebiwa kwemali eyizigidi zamadola aseMelika eplazini lakhe iPhala Phala. UGcaleka uthi abukho ubufakazi obubonisa ukuthi umengameli Ramaphosa usuke khona ezintweni ezenzeka kuleli plazi nsuku zonke.
The allegation that the president improperly and in violation of the provisions of the executive code exposed him to any risk of a conflict between his constitutional duties and obligations and his private interests arising from or affected by his alleged paid work at Phala Phala farm is not substantiated.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uphinde waphuma phambili ezinsolweni zokuthi wasebenzisa amandla esikhundla sakhe sokuba umengameli ngendlela engekho emthethweni. UGcaleka uthi abukho ubufakazi obubonisa ukuthi umengameli watshela inhloko yezokuphepha kukaMengameli uWally Rhoode ukuthi aphenye lolu daba. Uqhuba uthi incwadi efungelwe ka-Arthur Frazer ngalezi nsolo nayo yayingenabo ubufakazi obuphathekayo.
The affidavit we have from Mr. Frazer is filled with hearsay evidence which he refused to give us sources of that information and sources which we could not establish even through the independent investigation that we have done.
UGcaleka uthi uRhoode wenza ongaphezu komsebenzi wakhe khathi ephenya abasolwa ngokweba kuleli cala. uRhoode usolwa ngokuthumba abasolwa ngokweba eplazini likamengameli wabahlukumeza wabe sebavala umlomo. Ezindabeni zethu ozethulelwa yiNewsroom Africa Channel 405 nginguziyanda Ngcobo ngibika ngisepitoli.
Kusenjalo amaqembu ezombusazwe awuchithile umbiko womvikeli womphakathi. iDA ithi sazobhekisisa kabanzi ngoba uGcaleka wenza amaphutha amaningi athinta ezomthetho. iUDM ithi lo mbiko uyishoba nje lokuziphungela kanti iEFF ikhiphe istatement eyochaza njengembudane lo mbiko.
I'm not sure exactly what leaps of logic the public protectors used here, but certainly it is the reason why we will be taking the matter on review, because we believe the public protectors erred both in law and reason in this particular matter.
The comrades in corruption openly engineered this cover-up. So this is the outcome of that plan.
Singumbutho i-African Transformation Movement siyibona ingxelo yebambela mkhuseli woluntu kwilizwe lomzantsi Afrika njengengxelo engenasihlahla, ingxelo engangqamaniyo tu kunye nomthetho welizwe lomzantsi Afrika.